In today's video, we're going to be going over how to use and install WorldEdit onto your PrismNodes Minecraft server. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Prism Panel and select your Minecraft server. If you're having trouble navigating to the Prism Panel, simply head over to panel.prismnodes.com. Once you select your Minecraft server, you'll notice there's a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see many categories and tabs. Under the Advanced category, you'll see a subcategory called Software. Once you drop down Software, you'll see 3 tabs: Versions, Plugins, and Mod Packs. For today's tutorial, we'll be using the Plugins tab. Once you go to the Plugins tab, you might be wanting to install the WorldEdit plugin. However, you're going to want to install the FastAsyncWorldEdit plugin, which is a different version of the WorldEdit plugin that is more reliable and performant. You can also use the Plugins tab to install other plugins, as you can see from here. To install FastAsyncWorldEdit, you can go up to the Search a Query text box and search up FastAsyncWorldEdit. You can also use the search query text box to search up any other plugin. After searching up FastAsyncWorldEdit, install the first option that comes up to the search results, and then press Install Plugin on the pop-up. Once you successfully install the plugin, head back to your server console, and then start your server. Once you successfully start your server, you can load up Minecraft and then join it. Once you load up Minecraft, simply join your server. Once you connect to your Minecraft server, we recommend having operator permissions and going into Game Mode Creative. From there, go to a simple base plate that you can create. The first thing we should do is get the WorldEdit wand. To get the WorldEdit wand, simply execute //wand in game. Once you do that, you'll be given a wooden axe. This wooden axe can be used to create regions. To create a region, you must have 2 positions created with the WorldEdit wand. Positions can be selected with either left or right clicking. The first position can be selected with a left click, while the second position can be selected with a right click. Once you have 2 positions, there are many things you can do, but the most helpful and most used command would be //set. Once you have a region made with these positions, you can //set blocks into that region. For this case, we can replace the region we just created with gold blocks. As you can see, gold blocks have now been replaced in the region we just created. If we're looking to undo it, we can simply execute //undo. And if we want to redo it, we can then do //redo. Now let's say you want to create a basic oak house with WorldEdit. To do this, we can utilize the //set and //wall commands. Firstly, let's create a floor for our home. Let's create a basic region on the ground and then do //set oak planks. Once we have a basic region, we can build up to how long we want the walls to be. Then we can create a region on the top and then a region on the bottom. Instead of doing //set, we can do //walls and set this to oak planks. Now we can create our roof. To do this, we can //set a region on the top. Now we can simply get an oak door. And we completed our house very fast. Now obviously, that's a very basic example of what you can accomplish with WorldEdit, but there are so many possibilities. They're endless. It should also be known that WorldEdit, especially large operations with WorldEdit, are very resource intensive and require a high quality server with the correct optimizations. I recommend using PrismNodes, a high quality Minecraft server hosting provider that's built for doing stuff like this. They're trusted by some of the biggest servers in the world. Also, if you're interested in getting a written, more in-depth guide on how to do this, check out our help.prismnodes.com link in the description down below. With that out of the way, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking to get a Minecraft server, head over to prismnodes.com.